Today, I'm going to show you how to download Fiverr on your laptop or PC. This is a great way to access Fiverr quickly without having to open your browser and type in the URL every time you want to check your gigs or messages. Let's start by opening your web browser. Once your browser is open, head over to fiverr.com by typing it into the address bar and hitting enter. This will take you directly to the Fiverr homepage where you can see all the services and categories available on the platform. Now that you're on the Fiverr website, take a look at the address bar located at the top of your browser window. This is where you'll find a handy feature that many people overlook. Navigate to the top right side of the address bar and you'll notice a small icon sitting right beside the star icon. This is the Install Fiverr icon, and it's your gateway to adding Fiverr as a desktop application. Go ahead and click on that Install Fiverr icon. This action tells your browser that you want to install Fiverr as a progressive web app, which essentially gives you quick access to the platform without needing to keep a browser tab open all the time. It's a convenient way to streamline your workflow if you're a frequent Fiverr user. After clicking the install icon, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is just your browser asking you to confirm that you really want to install Fiverr as an app on your computer. Simply click install to proceed. Don't worry, this won't take up much space on your device and the installation happens almost instantly. Once you click install, the Fiverr app will automatically be saved on your desktop. You'll see the Fiverr icon appear right there among your other desktop shortcuts, making it incredibly easy to access the platform whenever you need it. From now on, you can simply double-click that icon to launch Fiverr without opening your browser first. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded Fiverr onto your laptop or PC, giving yourself quick and easy access to the platform whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.